Hi everyone, welcome to today's vlog. I'm Angela, and today we're diving into one of the most profound and puzzling questions in science. Where did life come from? Have you ever wondered how life on Earth began? From inorganic matter to organic matter, from single-celled organisms to complex multi-celled organisms. The origin of life is a process full of mystery and wonder. Today, let's embark on this marvelous journey to discover the origin of life. The story of the origin of life took place billions of years ago, when the Earth was a hot, barren planet. As the Earth cooled over time, gases in the atmosphere began to gather to form clouds that rained down water, the source of life. The water then landed in the potholes on the Earth's surface, forming the primordial oceans. The salt in the primitive ocean is relatively low, but the content of various chemical elements is extremely rich, providing the material basis for the birth of living things. The material basis is not enough. The birth of life also needs energy. But because there was no free oxygen in the atmosphere at that time, and there was no ozone layer in the high sky, the ultraviolet radiation of the sun could directly reach the Earth's surface and become the energy of synthetic organic matter. With a material base and energy input, coupled with the role of lightings and other effects, the primitive oceans slowly appeared proteins, nucleic acids, and other biomolecules. The appearance of these biomolecules was the first step in the history of the birth of life. The biomolecules that were formed drifted around in the primitive oceans, and since they were directly exposed, their structures were easily influenced by the environment. Later on, in the ocean, phospholipid molecules also appeared. Phospholipid molecules have hydrophilic heads and hydrophobic tails, and such a special structure determines that it is particularly easy for them to form sacs in the water. So, at some magical moment, the sacs formed by phospholipid met with proteins and nucleic acids. Under the action of some external force, the phospholipid wrapped up with the proteins, nucleic acids, and other biomolecules, and thus the most primitive cell was born. This was a milestone advance in the evolution of life. Over time, single-celled organisms gradually evolved into multicellular organisms, and the forms of life became more and more abundant and diverse, from sea creatures to land creatures, from plants to animals. The evolutionary path of life is full of countless wonders and possibilities. Scientists have conducted in-depth studies on the origin and evolution of life through various means, such as fossil records, molecular biology, and geochemistry. They found that the evolution of life is a process of constant adaptation and change. Each species is the crystallization of millions of years of evolution, carrying the wisdom and mystery of life. The study of the origin of life not only gives us a better understanding of the nature of life and its evolutionary course, but also provides us with the courage and wisdom to explore unknown areas. In our future exploration, we may discover more life forms and evolutionary paths that will fill us with awe and curiosity about life.